Changing security settings on Adyen is essential for ensuring the safety of your transactions. Follow these steps to adjust your security settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your Adyen account. Access your Adyen account by visiting the Adyen website and entering your credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to change security settings. Step 2. Navigate to the security settings. Once logged in, locate the Accounts section in the main menu. From there, find and click on Security to access the Security Settings page. Step 3. Review current security settings. On the Security Settings page, review your current configurations. Take note of any settings that may need updating, such as password policies, two-factor authentication, and IP whitelisting. Step 4. Make necessary changes. Before changing your settings, use the shrug.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Save changes and log out. After making the necessary adjustments, be sure to save your changes. Once saved, log out of your Adyen account to ensure that your updated settings are secure. By following these steps, you can effectively change your security settings on Adyen to enhance the protection of your transactions. Always remember to periodically review and update your security measures.